And there is one food that's phenomenally high in calcium, and it's in with the other mineral.
Do you suffer from stiff joints, weak bones, or aching knees? Osteoporosis, the condition where bones gradually lose strength and density.
Bones aren't made of calcium. Well, what are bones made of? They're made of 12 minerals and 64 trace. What are the 12 minerals? Calcium, chromium, boron, iron, magnesium, manganese, silica, sulfur, selenium, potassium, phosphorus, zinc. That's what bones are made of, and 64 trace. So what do bones need, students? Definitely not calcium supplements. That's another deception. And in the book, The Calcium Lie by Dr. Robert Thompson, he talks about the calcium lie, talks about the fat lie, talks about the cholesterol lie.
Barbara O'Neill reminds us that bones aren't built on calcium alone, but on a synergy of minerals like magnesium, zinc, boron, and silica, along with dozens of vital trace elements. Osteoporosis affects over 200 million people worldwide. That's 1 in 3 women and 1 in 5 men over 50 who will suffer a fracture in their lifetime. But bones are only half the story. Nearly 1 in 4 US adults has arthritis, and surprisingly, 60% are between 18 and 64, right in their working years. Barbara O'Neill, an Australian health educator recognized worldwide for her focus on the body's natural ability to heal. Let's explore the top 2 seeds and legumes that can help strengthen your bones and keep them healthy for life. Number 1. Sesame seeds.
And there is one food that's phenomenally high in calcium, and it's in with the other minerals, so it's in a good form, and that is sesame seed. And a great way to use sesame seed is as tahini. My kids used to love tahini and honey on toast. And also we make dressings, tahini, lemon juice, crushed garlic, salt, something like that. But hummus and baba ganoush, a lot of Lebanese dishes use tahini.
When it comes to nourishing bones and joints, one of the most underrated superfoods is also one of the smallest, the sesame seed. Don't let their size fool you. These tiny seeds pack an impressive punch of nutrients that directly support bone strength, density, and joint flexibility. Sesame seeds are loaded with calcium and zinc, 2 minerals absolutely vital for healthy bones. Calcium forms the backbone of bone structure, while zinc plays an important role in renewing and repairing bone tissue. They also deliver magnesium and phosphorus, which work together to keep bones dense and resilient, protecting them against fractures. One of the easiest and tastiest ways to enjoy sesame seeds is through tahini, a creamy paste made from ground seeds. Barbara often recalls how children love tahini and honey on toast, a simple yet delicious way to boost calcium intake. Tahini also makes a wonderful addition to salad dressings, sauces, or as a spread on its own. If you're after something even simpler, try sprinkling sesame seeds over yogurt, oatmeal, or fresh salads. These effortless little additions can add up over time, providing a steady supply of minerals that help build stronger bones and healthier joints. Number 2. Chickpeas dried figs.
Also, chickpeas are also a good source. So these are foods that will help boost calcium. And dried figs are quite high.
When it comes to natural foods that truly support bone and joint health, chickpeas deserve more recognition. Barbara O'Neill often highlights them for their rich mineral profile, calling them one of the best foods to boost calcium and strengthen the skeletal system. Just 1 cup of cooked chickpeas provides around 80 milligrams of calcium, the very foundation of our bones. But that's only the beginning. The same serving also offers about 79 milligrams of magnesium and 277 milligrams of phosphorus, 2 minerals that play a key role in bone mineralization, the process that keeps bones dense, strong, and resistant to fractures. Add in zinc and vitamin K, which work together to fortify the bone matrix and lower fracture risk. And it becomes clear why this humble legume carries so much power. Chickpeas don't just benefit bones, they're also a gift to the joints. Packed with plant-based protein, they help repair cartilage, ligaments, and connective tissue that cushion and support movement. They also contain natural anti-inflammatory compounds, which can ease stiffness and swelling, making them especially valuable for those managing arthritis or similar conditions. Best of all, chickpeas are as versatile as they are nutritious. Blend them into a smooth, creamy hummus. Simmer them in hearty soups, curries, or stews, or simply toss them into salads and grain bowls for an easy boost of minerals and protein. However you enjoy them, chickpeas are a simple, delicious way to strengthen bones and support joint health from the inside out. Dried figs aren't just a sweet snack, they're packed with nutrients that support strong bones and healthy joints. A handful provides as much calcium as a glass of milk, along with magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, and boron to boost bone density and prevent loss. Their antioxidants also help reduce inflammation, easing joint pain. Simple to enjoy on their own or added to salads, oatmeal, or smoothies, figs are a delicious way to naturally strengthen bones and keep joints flexible. Just a quick reminder, this information is meant for learning and inspiration, not as a replacement for medical care. If you're dealing with a bone injury or a specific condition, it's always best to work directly with your healthcare provider. Our bones and joints don't have to weaken with age. They can stay strong, flexible, and pain-free when we give them the right nourishment. From tiny sesame seeds to mineral-rich chickpeas and sweet dried figs, nature has already provided the building blocks for lifelong strength. If today's video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It's a simple way to help spread this message to others who might need it. And if you're new here, I'd love for you to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on natural health insights inspired by Barbara O'Neill and beyond. Feel free to share this video with someone you care about, because looking after our bones and joints is really about more than health. It's about freedom, strength, and enjoying a better quality of life. Thanks so much for watching. Stay strong, stay well, and I'll see you in the next one.